You're 2 minutes behind schedule. Go to the alley behind the building. Go to the armored truck.
I don't see an armored truck.
There it is.
In 20 seconds, men will exit the elevator. They will be armed. One will be carrying a briefcase. Retrieve it from him, then return to the van.
This is
You want us
insane.
to
I'm
rob
not
them?
doing this.
You now have 15 seconds.
Security, what's your emergency?
Wait, what are you doing? I'm not robbing them.
Put your gun on the floor. Put your gun on the floor. Look straight. You want me to blow his head off? Put the gun on the ground.
We don't want to hurt you guys. Just drop the case.
Drop the case and kick it to her.
Yeah, well, you're bringing a shitstorm on your head.
We're already mid-shitstorm. Now kick the case.
Okay, easy.
Look straight.
Okay, done. Kick it! Okay.
Don't even think about it.
Back up. Back up. Walk over here, stand next to him and turn around. Stand over here.
Just take it easy.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around! Thank you.
Please come in. Konnichiwa.
Hi.
Konnichiwa.
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 Wait, what is that?
It's a timer.
For what?
I don't know. The only things I can think of are timers and microwaves and
Bombs. You're gonna say bombs.
coffee makers have
Oh
time.
yeah, Jerry, it's a coffee maker.